Is hospital visits for everybody or just for people who are feeling ill or unwell? Hello, this is Punchy Health. Have you ever called a friend or looked for a friend, you didn't see him, and then ask him later, where have you been? And he reported to you, I went to an hospital, and you're asking, are you unwell? Are you feeling ill? Well, there are countless reasons why people would visit an hospital to be attended to, even if they are feeling good and fine. It's not necessarily everybody who walks into the clinic that is not well. So these are the reasons or the things we want to mention here today. There are many reasons. However, we're going to just mention or discuss six. And of these, one is health screening, two is routine immunization or vaccination, three could be occupational requirement, four is legal requirement, five is for people who have family history of certain disease conditions who wants to have close up monitoring or tracking. And then the sixth one is for those who might suspect hidden injury to be assessed and know whether there's actually an injury or the person is healthy enough. So let's give a little breakdown into some of these six factors I've mentioned. The number one reason why people walk into an hospital, even though they are feeling well, to get attended to is health screening. Many people will go for health screening. In screening, it allows doctors to be able to detect illnesses which are yet to manifest. And if you pick it out early, it's easy to deal with, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, high level of cholesterol, even things like cervical cancer screening. And um, some persons might also go to the hospital to check their genotypes and many other screening tests that are done to be able to pick out something that would require um, attention so that it does not blossom into something that becomes difficult to handle. So, number one is that people go to hospital to get screened, to get checked, to do routine checks, to know if there is any underlying illness that are yet to manifest. And this is the reason why people would visit an hospital even if they are feeling well. The number two reason why people will visit an hospital even if they are feeling well and strong is people can go there for their routine immunization or vaccinations, such as vaccination against hepatitis B, diphtheria, tetanus, yellow fever, even vaccination against COVID and many others. So people visit hospital to keep up to date with their vaccination status, which is an important step in helping mitigate against certain or some infectious diseases. Third reason why people will visit an hospital even if though they are feeling well and strong is for those who have a family history of a known chronic illnesses or genetic diseases. Such persons might require tracking or close monitoring to ensure that early detection is noted or even prevention of such disease conditions from occurring or happening to them. So this is also another vital reasons why someone will go to an hospital or visit hospital regularly even though they are feeling strong and healthy. The fourth reason why persons may visit hospital even though they are feeling strong is for occupational reasons. Occupational requirements. You have a pre-employment medicals to be done, or it can even be annual medicals to be done and submitted to the companies you're working for. So occupational requirements might be the reason why people may go to the hospital even though they are feeling well. Another reason why people might visit or want to visit an hospital even though they are feeling well is legal requirements. And this can be in terms of forensic examination, where you are playing a role in terms of an investigations that require medical examination. And you can also have people in terms of insurance and disability claims. You can also look at medical certifications and many other conditions that require medical legal clearance. These are also reasons why people would need to visit an hospital and be attended to even though they are feeling well. The sixth reason why someone might need to visit an hospital even though they are strong and healthy is, for instance, someone who has been involved in an accident or a fall or any form of such. Even though you feel very well and strong, you may need to visit an hospital for an assessment. For instance, an internal bleeding might not begin to manifest symptoms until it has become worse. So, for someone who has been involved in, let's say, a car accident or even a fall, you may need to go to an hospital to get properly checked and ensure that you're fine. The reason we are mentioning this is for those who feel that it's only when you are unwell or not healthy or when symptoms come crushing you that is when you have to visit an hospital. One needs to visit hospital for various reasons, even if you are strong as the strongest man on earth. This is Punchy Health.